Hello again from House of Gems. This is Alma. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this chain into 5 different necklaces. This here is my 1mm ball chain necklace. It's ready for you to build on since it already comes with the spring ring clasp. So you really don't have to do anything to the chain itself. And what I did was go ahead and add some jump rings to my charms. This allows them to stay more centered and not be on their side where you can't see them. And you just go through the jump ring into the necklace like so. Super easy. And this is our flower connector. It is a connector, so if you would like, you could wear it by itself, or you got another jump ring right over here and make it longer, add a moon, add a star, whatever your heart desires. Hopefully this helps you in your jewelry, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.